waiting for this ice storm.
Hi, good morning, 24. ShotGun, reading your mail.
Hey, we doing pretty good, man.
Alright, number 9 to Pirate. Number 9 to Pirate, 445 waving.
4:45 is bright and early.
Yeah, I don't have to work today. I'm just back here reading this waiting.
317.
All right. Well, I'll be talking to you all day. Hey, 4:45. I'm still working on making coffee. Hey, have a good one.
Some of them for yourself.
Hey, really, look, I'm just a little boy. I'm just still trying to scratch and get to the top of this tempo.
Alright, Tempo, but doggone, we scratch them too, so, hey, 24, ain't no thing.
And have fun with that DX and out that way. Mr. Thunderstick, WildChild told you that. We're on the far side, listen. Diesel wagon went away. Anybody got directions on how to throw the aluminum head there? How about him? DX World, DX World, DX World.
Roger on that there, Thunderstick, morning way back to you. 1999, say it's done again, not my neighborhood. 1999, we're standing by reading mail.
Oh, gone. I guess that old 95 in a diesel. Good morning, Thunderstick, 494, waving. Hey, Mr. Pirate. Hey, Mr. Pirate out there on the west side. We just want to keep down and say morning, working to the lead in there. Mr. Bad Boy's kind of got the old channel locked down out there in southern Indiana. They want to keep down and say morning to you, Mr. Pirate. WildChild told you that.
Good morning, right back here, DoubleDuce. If I'm squeezing through the Pirate Southern Cal waving, we're standing.